mapabili yung mapabili yung client or matarget yung proper audience. Ang more of qualification yung lalagay dun sa
Mm.
parang
Mm.
cabin sa creative. Kulang yung data niya ng kung ano yung property. Parang may nakukulangan ako. Siguro dito, pwede natin
Yeah.
pag-experimentuhan to. How
Ano,
can we get
sa
it
design lang,
better?
sa design, sa design,
Because,
ako personally, nakukulangan lang ako kasi ano, like sobrang minimal, ganyan. Pero yung solution ko dyan, lagyan na lang ng logo, palitan yung ano price to TCP, and naka-bold yung ano TCP. And then sa baba niyan is ano, yung,
but
what do you call
this
this?
will work for low-end project. Mag-work sa low-end.
High-end
Sa
to.
high-end, you
High-end to.
don't know.
Pero sa akin, okay na to sa akin basta dagdagan na ng logo ng observatory sa taas tapos yung federal land sa baba. I'll just change a little bit yung USP. Anyways, everyone here learned more about the USP naman na tapos PCP.
Enhance lang ng ano, USP niya.
Oo. And sige Rose, let's see the ad copy.
Okay po. Wait lang po. Hmm. Share. Ito po. Ayan. Kita po ba? Or,
Oh.
yan. Ay, mali. Ayan. Ayan. Oops. Ayan po.
Experience modern urban living along Mandaluyong starting at 18K per month. One is leading developers. Okay, maganda yung intro. Observative strategy built by Criminal Love. Offering prime spot for these talent views. For potential income. Again, same thing. Medyo nasa mag-isang ano naman point yung location of selling fast. Kulang to ng mga other na USPs ni Observatory. Like yun yung mga nakikita ninyo sa sa pictures pa lang. Meron silang sariling very very huge um na mall below the below the condo. So parang ano siya, parang high street BGC style na mall na nasa na elevated. Yun din yung isang magandang or parang halo siya ng BGC High Street pati Uptown Mall na style na mall. So, ayun. Um, Actually, ngayon ko lang din to nakita na yung easy and convenient access to major transportations like BGC Ortigas Link, MRT 7, Mega Manila Subway. Very, very good thing na nahanap mo to, Rose. Kasi ikaw lang so far yung nakahanap ng ganitong USP. This is very, very huge for them. Um, Again, for using yung mga kilometers, um, in well it takes the reader a bit more time to process yung kilometers versus yung time. Kasi pag for example mag Google Maps tayo,
Other tapos
or
na
if
kayo?
we ask,
Sino ba?
wait lang, first gen. So if we were to ask a lot of people kung saan ba yung lugar na yan, malayo ba yan? Tapos yung i-reply natin, hindi, malapit lang yan, mga 10 minutes away lang yan. Hindi naman tayo nagsasalita ng mga 2.5 kilometers away. Di ba? Guys, would you agree? So,
Yes po.
yeah, that's the reason why we tend to use yung time versus yung distance na measurement because eh, like mas pumapasok siya sa brain faster. Uh, unless roadrunner ka sabi, hindi naman kami para sa'yo, Bel. So, ayan. Parang ikaw lang yung marathons dito. Pero, sunod, interesado ako mag-try mag-marathons. So, sunod mag-visit kami dyan sa CDO ka ba, bro, or sa Davao? Bill John.
Davao, 1 hour away
Okay.
lang sa
All right. Thank you. So, yeah, going back, so we've been through a lot of versions of this copy. I think, like sa first pa lang yung kay C pa lang, you've already known kung ano yung pinaka USP tagline for this. Again, there's a lot of ways to say it, pero um, in the middle of the three BGs, CBDs, riverfront views, CBD skyline views, the heart of Metro Manila. So ito din like sobrang unbeatable na location. So those are tapos premier na developer by premier Japanese developer ni Nomura pati ni Federal all of that stuff. Yeah, basically yung kulang laman lang naman dito, just adding a little bit more of the unique selling points. Kasi ang dami ng magiging unique selling points dito talaga ni Observatory. Personally, nung unang nakita ko to, like, it has been immediately one of my more favorite than na mga projects na kaka-release lang like this last quarter lang. But anyways, yung pinaka-good job mo dito, Rose, first and foremost yung ad creatives mo. I don't know how you found those photos. But you selected those photos correctly. Eto ding transportations, sobrang walang ibang may nakakita so far. Ikaw lang yung nakalagay niyan. So, good job on finding those USPs. So, just work on adding a lot more USPs dito so we can really sell. And good job din na nalagay mo yung mga TCP ng lahat ng mga units. Yeah. So let's move on sa targeting.
Okay po. Coach, nilagay ko lang din siya dito. Ay, hindi ko siya na-screenshot sa sorry.
Okay.
Ang ginawa ko lang dito is nag-base ako sa Google Trends na mga keywords. Tapos sana lalaruin ko siya sa Ads Manager. Kaso kasi yung Ads Manager ko po ngayon restricted. So hindi ko muna ginagalaw. So ginanyan ko lang. Sorry po. Ayan. Yan lang.
That's fine. All right. Although we don't have the exact number of the estimated audience size, pero during real estate investor, I would separate yung real estate and then yung investor. And then the behaviors, well, yun naman yung mga default na mga behaviors natin. So I would say this is good. And then guys, mali yung nilagay ko sa training natin. Sa high end it's not 23. It's going to be 28 yung starting ng high end. Right? So ayun. So thank you Rose. All right, you can call the next one.
Okay, thank you, Coach. May ka-clarify lang ako, Coach. Sabi mo sa
Go.
isa-separate mo yung general real estate sa investor. I-define further ko po ba siya or
Yes.
okay po. Copy. Thank you. Si ano po, ay, stop share lang. Next po si Ate Ja.
Janet.
Hello, coach. Wait lang po.
Ay, Glad, di na pala kita napag-feedback.
Hindi na,
Okay lang?
okay lang. Nakikinig lang ako. Magawa ko
Alright.
ng Zapier. Sorry.
Charot.
Hi, coach.
Hello.
Kayo ba to?
Holy shit. Okay.
Dalawa po yung kinuha
Oh,
ko.
wait. Pero dito pa lang, yung pangalan kasi ng yung pangalan ng The Observatory, and then yung linagay mo na commanding views of BGC skyline, pinakita mo na. So, may picture siya ng USP, and it's very, very powerful. It's very, very powerful yung ginawa mo dito. Although I would put this at the top.
Yung alin po?
Yung picture ng skyline. I would put that at the top
Okay.
instead of the bottom. And then siguro yung sa baba, I wouldn't use yung facade na, since nakita natin yung ginawa ni Rose, madami pa pala silang magandang mga amenities doon, like the mall, everything. I think eto, alongside with the photos na nagamit ni Rose, would have a very, very killer na combination talaga. So, dito pa lang yung putang ina dyan, napapamura ako. Ang galing ng na hanap mo.
Oo,
So,
yan. Sa baba, no?
oo. Grabe, Janet. So far, ikaw yung... Guys, gusto niyo bang gawin to na, na, na every week, parang may magiging favorite tayo. Tapos yung pinaka magiging favorite, bigyan na ng 500 ng GCash. Gusto niyo? Para mas para mas ma-push kayo. G kayo.
Oo, yan.
Ayan. 500 kada week sa GCash. Ayun. Pero Janet, sobrang
Opo.
amazing itong first photo. Patingin na ng second.
Yung second, iniba ko lang yung USP.
So pero
Kasi
parehas
po
pa rin
sa-
na Oo.
parehas pa rin siya. Ayun.
Anyways,
And,
dito, let's talk about the USP.
mm-mm.
The first Japanese-inspired township at the crossroads of three major CBDs. Pati yung una mo,
Apo.
ano yung una mo?
This one. Japanese-inspired township.
Japanese-inspired township with commanding. I know. Actually, both of the USPs you made are amazing. Greg, gusto mo na butukunin si Janet?
Oo, I need na.
Wait lang po, may sakit pa ako.
Game na tayo.
Diretso na. Price starts
Kunin
at
ko na yan.
15. Good job din sa pag-separate ng fonts ng USP, and then yung price, and then yung TCP mismo, iniba mo pa yung yung font, and the way na pagpili mo ng font, it's easily readable, all of that stuff. Yeah. Actually, very, very impressive so far sa creatives. So far the best ko talaga siya na creative. So, congratulations, Janet. May 500.
Thank you. Ako na winner ngayon.
Uy, time out. Tapos na ba lahat?
Hindi pa.
Baka may hindi pa ng...
Alam mo,
Oh.
hindi pa.
Wag masyadong
Let's
excited.
see.
Tignan natin ng
Pero-
Wait.
Tignan natin yung sunod, kid.
Meron na tayong
Ba-
candidate. One.
May candidate for winner so far. Sige, baba tayo
Wait lang.
sa
Add copy. No?
Mod, relax.
Add copy.
Relax. Excited.
Experience of first Japanese township crossroads. Okay. So yan talaga yung USP, the observed for this experience seems yun. These experience are seamlessly connected through walkable 40% of open space, pedestrian-oriented safe zones. Talagang okay. Viral number this time potential luxurious. Wala na. Wala na.
Publish na to.
Dire-
Publish na.
Publish na kagad. Publish na kagad. Ito guys, yung meaning ko na nilalagay sa isang thought, sa isang paragraph yung isang thought. So instead na naka new line siya yung bawat ng mga amenities. Ito nilagay niya sa iisang what do you call this? Sa isang paragraph. The amenities at eto guys, bago to. The amenities of each residential tower identify the remarkable districts in Tokyo, Hokkaido. What the fuck?
Actually, coach, nasa ano to, nasa digital presentation. May kinonek kasi akong may kinonek akong property specialist. So, I don't know, sinuwerte lang siguro ako na pinigay na niya sa akin lahat.
Oh my God.
So,
Guys,
binigay na niya.
ganon,
Diyan, hindi
ganon.
ko masyadong marinig yung voice mo.
Sorry. Sakit. Ano po, may kinonek ako property specialist. Then nag-provide siya sa akin ng link for the brochure, digital brochure. So might as well mapag-aaralan mo talaga yung yung development. And this is a very good project po. Sobra.
Ayun. Thank you then Janet for going the extra mile to actually reach out to a property specialist to get access to this information right here. Diyan lumalabas yung isa sa mga values ng Monoroa na sinasabi ko, relentless excellence. So you'll do everything it takes to produce the most excellent results. And right now we're seeing an example of this being done. So yun, thank you very much for doing this and for stepping up na ganun. Let's move doon sa targeting.
Wait lang po. Stop share ko lang.
Mhm. Feeling ko live pinag-ulit-ulitan niya yung course. Ulit yung course.
Excuse me. Viewable na po.
Google Docs pa rin yung nakikita ko.
Okay. Stop ko muna. Ay, this one.
Yan. Yeah.
With a special real estate interest po ko tag-ano.
Mm-hmm.
na po.
Real estate interest also must match. Yeah, scroll down.
Then behavior.
So tatlo, expensive place, international, mid and high value, English Chinese. Simple enough. Pero sakto na.
Then,
sakto naman. Pasok naman sa audience size din natin. Toglay, feedback sa targeting. Toglay.
Pwede nga, pwede test. Ito naman yung mga ano talaga. Parang goods for real estate.
Ayun.
um,
So, Janet?
yeah, I have questions. Pwede pa ba akong mag-define further if ever medyo mataas tong audience size ko, real estate? Yung ita-target kong interest, real estate. Yung pinaka last. level?
I think bababa siya ng masyado, maging 100K na lang yung estimate. You can try,
Yeah, yeah.
pero I think bababa siya masyado.
Pero may mga result yung mga 100,000 plus. So, ang nangyayari is masyadong konti yung leads.
Ah, and that's
Masyado
why
na
we're
siyang konti.
so pag mabilis ka mapatig doon sa sa lower size na estimated audience. So anyways, ganun. So far okay na ako sa sa targeting dito. Right.
Okay.
Sige. Right.
Thank you.
Next one. Yung galing sa dentist.
Hello, Coach. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good afternoon, guys. And so, nag-present na ba ako, Coach?
I-share
Parang
screen na lang.
nung ginawa ata, Coach, baka mapahiya ko kay Ma'am Ja, eh. So, okay, wait lang po. Bale. Here mo. Ay, ito ba yung una?
Creatives, copy, and then targeting.
Ayoko na yung creatives, Coach. Mapapaano ako eh. Hindi, akin, Coach,
Yeah, okay.
simple lang naman.
Ito
Like,
yung okay.
nag-search ako, Coach, ng mga pictures so far, and actually yung high-end talaga, or say mga ganito kataas, like 10 million above, hindi ako medyo familiar since I'm into medyo mid-end lang. But as I've relapsed, or natandaan ko sa course natin is that yun nga, mas simple, mas better. So parang nilagay ko lang dito is eto, Coach, simple lang siya. Ayoko na ipakita kanina. Yan. Tapos sa likod dito, Coach, 9 million and above properties. Kasi in a way na napansin ko kasi pag leisure, the same with me na handle ko, pag nakita nila agad yung nga yung TCP is much filter na siya kagad kaysa magtanong pa and pagod din sa seller kung answer pa tapos di pa na nila kaya. So, binilisan ko ba? Naiyan ako dito, Coach, wag na to. Yung
Anyways, natutunan nyo na yung what to add and basta yung what we need to see sa creatives. Anyways, basta na-compare. Alright, so let's move on to the next one.
So, dito ay copy.
Copy.
And so, dito, Coach, hindi pa ako kasi masyado familiar talaga, to be honest, sa my property. So, hindi ko siya na may mga ganun, may mga Japan lookout. So, as much as I wanted na i-change kanina, pero gusto ko is mag-correct talaga ako dito. Yan, so, parang more on business yung inatake ko. And
Alright.
yung ginamit ko, Coach, is parang, tawag nga dyan, like yung mga terms nila talaga. Like mga pinakil, na ganun.
Alright. Okay, let me read through. Dun muna tayo na lang sa ad headline. Elevate lifestyle observe. Heart of premier residential condo. Pinnacle of urban living for lands jewel. Siguro yung sa federal land, ano lang, parang arte lang to ng grammar. Apostrophe lang sa sa lands. Jewel and Mandaluyong's crown. Alright. Okay naman to yung Mandaluyong's crown, jewel, federal lands jewel and Mandaluyong's crown. Actually, maganda din siya na term for headline. Be part of the jewel in the business center's crown of Metro Manila for only 9 TCP. Luxury, urban luxury for 9 TCP. Oasis or waits at the observatory. Presenting the observatory in the Arch and Jam. Okay. Good. Metro Sinas shaping urban living for this 9-tower mixed use. Okay. Second is a contemporary exam, tranquil landmark, panoramic views, make to. Okay. So medyo mag-isang thought pa siya. Exceptional amenities. Nasa baba. Say, scroll down tayo. Thriving. Mhm. Upscale, retail heavy, installation hub offices, thriving surroundings. Actually, bago tong term sa akin, thriving surroundings, which is also good. This moment in your to secure space in this visionary development main type of firm. Okay. Ano yung baba? PTR?
Ano, coach? CPR na lang
Oh,
yun, coach.
okay. Alright, send message. Okay. So, anyways, nasabi ko na lahat ng ng mga feedback.
Yun nga, coach.
So, but, ano, um, move tayo sa, targeting naman.
And so for me, I created 2 types. So
Yeah.
UNHWI people. Then yan dito, coach. So una is yan companies founded, company size. So it's a no-brainer naman pag ganito na parang malaki na sila. Then
Yeah.
property invest.
So, dalawang layers lang, di ba?
Yes, coach. Dinalawa ko muna kasi
Okay.
yung size ko is parang hindi na kaya. Like
Okay.
787.
Alright. Let's go with the other.
Dito, coach, masyadong malaki naman yung yung audience size, pero inuna ko yung large business yan. More on business type yung ginawa ko sa targeting.
Mhm. Okay. So, 3 layers, di ba?
Ah,
Property investment or investment. Actually, okay naman to. I don't know why lang nag-hit siya ng ng 3.8 mil.
Advantage yata yan, sir.
Sa ano?
Naka-advantage audience. Hindi siya yung
Um,
original.
Ay. Kasi meron sometimes meron settings diyan si Facebook na kung ano yung sinet mo sa detailed targeting, meron pa siyang instant na LLA. Tapos basically we should turn that off muna para hindi siya sobrang malaki.
here siya ata, coach.
But i-switch mo lang muna sa original audience options. Hindi pa ako kasi sanay sa bago. Sige, scroll down. Targeting. Wala na yung section dun na languages na lang din siguro yung kulang. English all,
English.
Chinese all.
Lagay ko nga siya. English o Chinese.
3.8 pa rin, pares lang yung class ng taon na to target. So, mga high-end pa rin. Para sa akin, if pababaan ko to, yung location pati age niya, na sakto na ba?
Ay, yung location. Ito, coach, yung
Ay.
age is, tapos location hindi ko na-change.
Oo.
Philippines.
Yun na basically. Scroll na lang sa baba. Ayun lang.
Kasi lagay natin sa metro lang.
Ayun, pasok.
Sa
Kahit i-15 lang muna.
15? 15?
Kilometers yan, hindi miles. Hindi, okay pa rin naman. 20 kilometers. Ayun, pasok. Medyo pasok na din siya kahit medyo mas malaki. Pero okay na din. Sa age na lang 28 to 60.
Here. Yan, perfect.
Yeah. So, okay naman yung yung targeting, all of that stuff. All goods. So, yun. And I actually also gusto ko din, bro, yung yung sa unang targeting mo sa mga company, yung UN, yan. ano yung ginagawa? Yan, ng mga companies founded between 2000. Bago din yan, actually, na nakita ko lang. Company size more than 500 employees. So, yeah, actually, both are good. Actually, mas prefer ko tong ano mo, itong targeting mo dito. Actually, hindi dun very often gamitin yung ano, angel investor na targeting. Kahit dito sa amin, na ginagamit namin nila Glay, pati ni Mark. I don't think na masyadong magamit namin pa. Pero si Glay, nagagamit niya yan paminsan-minsan yung angel investor. So, ayun. Um, all goods, all goods. So, first of all, everyone, marami ba kayong natutunan?
Yes.
Marami mga takeaways. So, hopefully this first na feedback session natin, marami kayong nakuha na mga very valuable feedback. And second of all, congratulations to Janet for being the top media buyer for this week. So, grabe, ang ganda ng efforts na nagawa mo. Really, really well implemented. And yun nga, gustong ka nang kunin ni Glay ngayon. So, sa sobrang like hindi ka na papaantayin until March kukunin ka na. Anyways. Pero hindi, nasa Shangri-La BGC sa lounge lang. Wala naman silang cafe doon sa Villares. Ay, meron naman cafe sa Villares pero only for mga worker lang. Hindi, basta sa cafe nila. Anyways, kumusta ba guys? Like, what's your feedback sa activity na to? Like, I need your feedback. Do you think na this is something that was helpful? Nakatulong ba siya to really practice what you learned from the lessons? Sige, unahin ko na siguro Janet since ikaw yung naging top media buyer for the week.
Actually, very challenging sa akin itong observatory kasi I'm not feeling well. Ginawa ko lang siya Wednesday para paunti-unti. So, very challenging siya. Siguro sinuwerte lang talaga ako doon sa pinag-connect akong specialist na I was, the way na sumagot din siya sa convo, parang binigay na niya sa akin lahat. So, I got to have some images na kahit hindi mo na i-edit, but may in-edit lang ako din na konti dun sa Canva. Then natutunan ko syempre yung USP pinaka niya talaga is research. Para yung pinaka foundation natin for the research. More on testing pa kung ano yung magwo-work. Ayun. So, siguro if money is not issue, I will invest here sa sa observatory. Maganda siya, actually. Kasi, ginugol mo, syempre kung ganda niya, it's a very marketable. Ayun. Yun lang po.
Yeah. So, ito lang, partida, she was sick. She started on Wednesday. So, medyo later na in the week. But still, she produced, like everyone, masasabi naman na so far she produced the best output. And yun, I think parami tayong natutunan out of all of the examples na breakdown natin ngayon. And yeah, sige, next, Ella, what did you learn from this session?
Madami coach. Habang nga tawag dito, bawat comments nyo na need ng improvement, kino-comment ko kasi pwede siyang ma-apply din on the next challenge or sa bawat gagawin pa. Very, very informative, coach. Nag-enjoy ako.
Good. Next, siguro Rose.
Ako po, madami akong natutunan. Lalo na sa, I think yung lalo kay Miss Janet, yung parang paano niya dineliver USP. Hindi siya yung typical na word sa akin kasi hindi ako yung target market. So, parang na-realize ko, ganito pala siya parang tawag doon, ipoposition. Kaya pala di ko maabot kasi wala pa ako sa target market na yon. So, doon ko na-realize. And ayun, hopefully ma-execute ko siya sa future challenges. Ayun. Thank you.
Awesome. Next, Bill.
Hulaan ko sino yung nagbigay ng ng details kang Miss Janet. Si Leonie Perez.
Oo.
Siya din?
Ha? Sino?
Si Eunice Jerez or Jerez?
Ah.
Hindi. Nag-run siya ng ads tapos nag-inquire ako. Actually, meron din akong brochure, maraming pictures na nakuha. Kaso lang, yung problema, mas magaling talaga si Janet mag-edit, magkuha ng anong ilalagay sa creatives ba. So kahit marami kang resources na learn ko this afternoon, pag hindi ka talaga marunong magbasa din, wala pa rin. Magbasa, mag-edit, tapos nahirapan din ako sa editing kasi hindi ako marunong sa yung color combination. So paulit-ulit mas mataas yung time sa pag-edit kaysa paggawa ng ad caption, ad copy. Sa targeting din, copy paste na lang tapos may nadagdag lang na isa. So diyan ako mag-start from this workshop. Then nakita ko marami kayong kanya-kanya ding mga targeting or mga interest na in-include sa nyo. So ayun, marami akong natutunan this afternoon. Then ano pa ba? Ayun, sobrang happy kasi may mga feedbacks kasi. So alam mo na nasa right path ka. Kung wala man, i-correct ka. So ayun, that's all.
Awesome. Dex. Bro.
Sa akin, coach, very fruitful talaga kasi ito yung parang clear definition of telling na more minds are better than one. Parang ganun. Parang ang exciting mag-share lalo pag yung kasunod mo yung sumunod sa is napakaganda yung ginawa. Ganun yung sinabi. Pero also, comment ko lang si Ma'am Janet. Ang ganda nun, like, yung relentless nga sa may mission vision, sa may traits natin, and yung mission vision natin, coach, sa agency na will make other agencies as a joke. Yun yung clear definition niya kasi hindi, tanda pa rin, coach, no? Hindi siya, hindi siya normal na USP, ang hirap. Parang it takes a lot of effort. Ang galing, ganun.
Awesome. Right. C.
Ako naman for me, ayun, in my experience, medyo nag-cram ako. Kasi nakita ko yung mismong brochure din, parang kumano yung pagka-overthinker ko. So, hindi ako masyado, like, ito ba, tama ba to? Or nasa something like that. Kaya, nag-cram din ako on the last, parang few hours din. So, ayun. And then, sabi ko, hindi man ako dun sa kasi hindi ako masyadong like, magaling dun sa pag-create ng visual tsaka sa copy. Sabi ko, bawian ko na lang dun sa targeting. So, pag inisip ko, pag tinarget ko to sa mga ganitong tao, baka yan. So, like that. Tapos, in this session naman, really helpful siya. Much appreciated yung ganito since yun nga, yung two is better than one, tapos different minds or iba yung perspective ng isa, ng iba. Mas mas makikita natin broader yung kung ano yung perfections ng nagawa natin. Mas better input natin. Yung baga kay Naruto, madami siya cognition. Pag mas mabilis yung parang progress niya in training. So parang ganun. nakikita ko yung ganitong session. Thank you very much.
Ayos. So, yeah, actually, nakaka-excite din sa akin kasi nagkaroon lang ako ng another business idea. Like, I want to see what kind of results we'll have like by the end of this challenge. Kung gaano ka taas yung level na pag-change ng mga ads ninyo all together because of this challenge, because of this training. Anyways, yung recording nito, ilalagay ko naman din sa group chat natin so you guys can go back to it as well. And ako din, I will rewatch this recording just to take notes kung ano yung mga naging feedback namin so far ni Glyza. And yung mga list of those feedbacks kasi na yun, we will use that as a list para next time. Pag magpo-produce kayo ng ads, you just go ahead and refer to the list of all of the feedbacks. Tapos you check kung okay ba, like nagma-match ba yung sa mga feedbacks. And then basically, it's an automated way of parang making sure that you guys produce a good advertisement. So, yun. With that said, Glay, nandiyan ka?
Yes.
All right, it's your time to choose their next property.
Hmm. Hmm. Si Bellaris.
Sabi ko na. All right,
Si Bellaris
guys.
tayo.
All right, so Velaris by Robinsons and Hong Kong Land. So RHK yung pangalan ng buong developer. So it's a collaboration din. Mahilig kayo guys sa mga collaboration ng mga projects. So this is a collaboration between Robinsons Land and Hong Kong Land. Yan yung project ni Velaris. Velaris is also a high-end na project. Pag may pera kayo, sobrang may in love kayo doon na as if gusto niyo. Like, kasi itong Velaris would be the top brokers, the top choice for brokers. Yung mga nakakaalam ng project na ito versus dito sa mga projects ng BGC, pipiliin pa rin nila si Velaris. So that's how good it is. And I promise you guys, magiging excited kayo mag-research about Velaris. Kasi there's just a lot of cool things about Velaris. And eto na lang din, parang pa-spoiler, yung magiging location ng Velaris is going to be an entire township na dinedevelop ng Robinsons Land, which is set to become a rival daw ng BGC. So, yun. Just, do everything you can, guys, to try to win the next challenge. So, yeah, para may libre yung pang-tape or whatever. And again, thank you, and congratulations again to Janet for winning today's challenge. And guys, relentless excellence. That's what we need to produce. Again, yung mission ng company natin for our clients is to produce 1,000 real estate sellers na makakaabot ng 100 million TCP sales. We're only going to help them achieve that if maganda yung mga outputs ng mga ads natin. All right, guys. All right, awesome. And thank you. And you guys enjoy the rest of your weekends. Bye for now, guys.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.